Hi, today I'm going to invite you to undertake a SYSTEMI online training course on climate and buildings. This course will introduce you to climate responsive and energy efficient approach to designing buildings through an understanding, firstly, of the Earth's climate system, its macro and microclimate, climate parameters, and finally, climate analysis. I am Dr. Roshni Yehuda and I will be the trainer for this course. I am a practicing architect and academician specialized in energy efficient and environmental design of buildings. My PhD in resource management was on the subject of structural configuration and thermal behavior of buildings. I am a qualified master trainer and empaneled expert on the Energy Conservation Building Code of India, awarded by the Bureau of Energy Efficiency BEE UNDP JEF in February 2015. I was head Rachna Sansad's Institute of Environmental Architecture in Mumbai, India from June 2003 to July 2017 and have more than 20 years of academic and professional experience, having traveled widely on professional assignments to more than 20 countries. Before I provide you an overview of the course on climate and buildings, here is an interesting fact. According to the World Green Building Council, building and construction activities are responsible for 39% of all carbon emissions in the world, with operational emissions from energy used to heat, cool, and light buildings alone accounting for 28%. So, what is the problem? It seems that since the Industrial Revolution, when mass production of materials became possible using steel and concrete, we have overlooked the relation between climate and buildings and their subsequent relation to fossil fuel energy used in the operation of buildings, specifically for heating and cooling. When buildings are not designed according to climate, they are thermally uncomfortable and lead to the excessive use of fossil-based energy for heating and cooling, which in turn raises the average global temperature and is one of the primary causes of climate change. The question is, can we do anything about this? If you design buildings which are climate responsive through proper orientation, window wall ratio, and other passive design strategies, yes, you can reverse this trend. For this, knowledge of climate is paramount. What are the elements of climate that a building professional needs to know? What are the tools with which I can understand better the annual and daily sun path over my building in order to protect it from heat gain or heat loss? What climate parameters are vital to understand, and what is the macro and microclimate for your site? An understanding of this will certainly provide you an edge in designing sustainable buildings and in excelling as a professional in energy efficient building design. Is this possible? Well, the passive house buildings in Germany, for example, consume an abysmally low 15 units of energy per square meter of space per year. That, according to many, is the definition of a low or zero energy building. Please note that this course is part of a larger course on energy efficient building envelope design. So watch out for the other upcoming modules and enroll for the course on climate and buildings. Thank you.